If you're wondering how can you add friends on FIFA Mobile, today in this video I'll show you exactly how. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. And first, make sure you are logged into your account on FIFA Mobile, of course, to be able to follow up with me exactly how I told you to. So first, from here, go ahead and tap on these icons in the top right corner to access the friends section, and you should find all of your friends here. If you want to add friends, tap on this icon right there. It will take you to this page. You can add suggested friends that are recommended by the game. If you have someone in mind that you want to add, tap on the search icon right here, and of course type in their username. Let's take for example Jerry. I'm just gonna choose a random name and then tap on continue. You will get the results right here. All you need to do is to tap on add friends right next to the user, and once they accept your request, they'll be your friends on this game, and you'll find them right here on this section down right there. And that is it for this video, guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.